Hello everyone, welcome back to Newton Kit Academy where we make your dreams come true. I am Arunima ma'am. Today I will be discussing a very important chapter for class 12 biology, that is biotechnology and its application. So what is biotechnology? Biotechnology is the field which harnesses biological systems along with technological developments to form very different diverse applications. Biotechnology has various fields of application like medical biotechnology, industrial biotechnology, even agricultural biotechnology, environmental biotechnology and genetic biotechnology. So all these various frames or divisions of biotechnology are to be considered today, and we will be having a vivid discussion on all these topics. Our first point of discussion is medical biotechnology. The use of biotechnology in the field of medicine is a vast process. So there are many applications as in gene therapy, as in pharmaceutical aids or medicine development and drug designing, and also vaccine development. Our next topic is agricultural biotechnology. Here we'll discuss about genetically modified crops, also known as GM crops, and many other sustainable practices which have helped in the agricultural sector a lot. So biotechnology has also aided in the agricultural practices in a wide manner. Next we come to industrial biotechnology. We have a lot of industries which use biotechnology in their mechanisms like in various enzyme productions and also biofuel production. There are many bioreactors which are currently present in various industries, which is aiding in various industrial procedures. So biotechnology has also aided a lot in the field of industries. Next is environmental biotechnology. So bioremediation and waste treatment management are the various solutions to all the environmental issues which biotechnology has provided for our environment. Our next topic is genetic engineering. So in case of genetic engineering, we need specified or desired genes to be introduced in the body of the host organisms. There are two applications which are majorly used, that is CRISPR-Cas9 and transgenic organisms in the field of genetic engineering. Our last point is ethical consideration. Here we address the advanced moral and social concerns of biotechnological advancements. Genetic manipulation and privacy issues are the basic concerns or considerations of this particular point. Biotechnology revolves around various fields, offering solutions to medical challenges, providing aid to agricultural practices, also offering aid to industrial processes, and also solving various issues of the environment. Ethical consideration plays a crucial role in guiding in the development and application of biotechnological innovations. Thus, we conclude the portion of discussion here, and we will start our discussion with the next 10 important questions on this chapter. So let's begin with the first question. The first question is, what is biotechnology? So biotechnology is the branch of science that deals with living organisms or living systems to develop new technologies and products for various applications. The second question is, what are the main branches of biotechnology? The branches of biotechnology include medical biotechnology, industrial biotechnology, agricultural biotechnology, and also environmental biotechnology. Third question is, how biotechnology is used in medicine industry? So biotechnology is basically used in medicine industry in the development of various medicines, in the development of vaccines, gene therapy, various pharmaceutical medicines are developed, and also in the pharmaceuticals through genetic engineering, which is a very important technique which is used in the medical industry. We move to the next question, that is fourth question. So explain the role of biotechnology in agriculture. In agriculture, biotechnology plays a very important role in crop improvement through genetic engineering or genetic modifications. We also term it as GM crops, and development of genetically modified crops, and also in the production of biopesticides and also biofertilizers. Okay. We move to the next question, fifth question. What is genetic engineering? So genetic engineering is a biotechnological technique that involves manipulating the DNA of organisms to introduce desired traits or characters into them for various genetic modifications. That is basically genetic engineering. Moving to the next question, it says, how does biotechnology contribute to environmental conservation? So what's the answer? The answer is very easy. Biotechnology plays a very important or very vital role in the environmental conservation through the development of bioremediation techniques, which use various living organisms to clean up the pollutants which are there in the soil and also in water. So bioremediation is being done by various living organisms to clean up various waste products on our earth. Next question is, can you give an example of biotechnological application? Yes, the one example of biotechnological application is the use of microorganisms in the production of industrial enzymes such as amylase or protease, which are used in various manufacturing processes. Is it clear to all of you? If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. Our next question is very important. It says, it asks about CRISPR-Cas9 and how it is used in biotechnology. Basically, CRISPR-Cas9 is a revolutionary gene editing technology which is having a precise modification which allows a precise modification of DNA sequence. It is used in biotechnology for the gene therapy purpose and also genetic engineering and functional genomic research. Our ninth question asks for, how does biotechnology contribute to the production of biofuels? It's very simple. As we all know, biofuels, they are produced organically. So biotechnology is highly involved in this particular process of biofuel production by the use of microorganisms which ferment organic matter such as biomass or algae, and these bioenergy sources like ethanol or biodiesel. Okay, so I hope I have made this clear. It says, what are the ethical considerations in biotechnology? I've already discussed this in the video. So what are the ethical considerations? The ethical considerations in biotechnology, it includes concerns about genetic manipulations, the GM crop usage, and the privacy issues which are related to our genetic informations. and also the potential misuse of biotechnological enhancements. So all of these fall under the ethical consideration of biotechnology. So I have already completed all the 10 questions which are very important for this chapter. And if you face any doubts, any queries, in any questions or any portion from the video, do comment down in our comment section. I hope it's all. So you have understood. So bye bye for today and meet you soon in the next video.